Very good morning, viewers. You're watching News X and I'm Kriti Mehta. Only a few days ago, we were tracking the Gaur Green Avenue fire in Ghaziabad, and now a fatal fire in Delhi has killed 9 lives. At least 9 people so far have been killed and 2 others are injured in a fire that broke out in the 4-story building in Delhi's Vivek Vihar area early this morning. The fire broke out on the 2nd floor of the building around 4 a.m., following which as many as 14 fire tenders were rushed to the spot to put out the fire and carry out rescue operations. On reaching the spot, officials found the fire had spread to the 3rd and the 4th floors of the building. The exact cause of fire is still unknown, but the residents are suggesting an AC blast may have triggered the blaze. It's not known as of now the exact clear causes. However, it's to be noted that Vivek Vihar is a prime location in East Delhi and more than a dozen people have been rescued from the building so far. The injured have been taken to the Gaur Guru Tegh Bahadur Hospital for treatment. To assess the situation, BJP President Virendra Sachdeva also reached the area in Shahadra. MP Harsh Malhotra will also be visiting the site. For now, let's go across to my colleague Bhavna, who is live at the location. Bhavna, फिलहाल रेस्क्यू कैसे चल रहे हैं? अभी क्या आशंका है कि कितने लोग और फंसे हो सकते हैं?
तरीके से विवेक विहार इलाके में आगजनी की घटना सामने आई है। सुबह 3:47 पर जो है आग की घटना जो है वो इस इमारत में लगी थी। बताया जा रहा है कि 800 गज की बिल्डिंग में लगभग 8 फ्लैट्स बने हुए थे, 4 पीछे की तरफ, 4 आगे की तरफ, और पीछे बने दूसरी मंजिल के फ्लैट पर जो है एसी में ब्लास्ट हुआ और देखते ही देखते आग जो है ऊपर की दोनों मंजिलों पे और लग गई है, जिसमें 9 लोगों की जो है अब तक जान चली गई है। वहीं फायर ऑफिसर ने बताया कि लगभग 15 लोगों को जो है रेस्क्यू कर निकाला गया था, जो कि मामूली रूप से घायल है, और 9 लोगों की जो है डेड बॉडी रिकवर की गई है। फिलहाल जो है सर्च ऑपरेशन अभी लगातार जारी है। वहीं इस पूरे हादसे में देखा जाए तो फायर ऑफिसर साफ तौर पे बताते हुए नजर आए कि 800 गज की ये इमारत जो है वो पूरी तरीके से जो है आसपास की तरफ से सुरक्षा को देखते हुए, चोरी ना हो इस घटना को देखते हुए जो है ये इमारत साइड से जालियों से कवर थी, जिसकी वजह से लोगों का रेस्क्यू करने में जो है काफी ज्यादा दिक्कत का सामना करना पड़ा। वही देखिए, एक चौंकाने वाली बात ये भी सामने आई है, कहीं ना कहीं देखा जाए तो लोग चोरी के डर से सेफ्टी इक्विपमेंट्स इतने लगाते हैं कि उन्हें आगजनी की घटना के समय किन किन हादसों का सामना करना पड़े इसका ध्यान नहीं दिया जाता है। बताया गया कि डिजिटल लॉक और रिमोट कंट्रोल लॉक की वजह से जो पुश बटन है वो नहीं खुले थे, जिसकी वजह से लोगों को रेस्क्यू करना मुश्किल हो गया, और उसी वजह से जो है 9 लोगों की जो जान है वो इस हादसे में जा चुकी है। फिलहाल सर्च ऑपरेशन जारी है। जो गंभीर रूप से घायल हुए हैं उनको नजदीकी हॉस्पिटल में, जीटीबी हॉस्पिटल में भर्ती कराया गया है, और जो मृतक है उनके शवों को पोस्टमार्टम के लिए रखवा दिया गया है। लेकिन अभी तक ये जानकारी नहीं दी गई है कि आखिरकार इस 9 जनों की जिनकी मौत हुई है उसमें बच्चों की संख्या कितनी है। लेकिन ये कहा जा सकता है कि आगजनी की घटना कहीं ना कहीं इतनी खतरनाक हो गई कि 9 लोग जो है इसमें अपनी जान गंवा बैठे।
जी भावना, बने रहे हमारे साथ व्यूअर्स. लेट्स नाउ टेक अ लुक एट द डिटेल्स ऑफ द इंसिडेंट दैट वी हैव accessed so far. All right, let's take a look here in our screens how the fire broke out in the first place. The Vivek Vihar fire that broke out on the 2nd floor of the building, it gradually spread to the 3rd and the 4th floors. This encircled here is the burnt portion of the building. The front portion of the building was completely affected. You can see how the fire has spread there, and it's evident how the building is a new construction, relatively new at least. The fire has spread to the neighboring buildings as well, because they are also affected. That area encircled once again can show the impact of the blaze as it spread to the adjacent buildings. All right, let's in fact go across to Bhavna as well. Bhavna, जो आसपास के बिल्डिंग्स हैं दिख रहे हैं हमारे स्क्रीन्स पे, उन पे भी इफ़ेक्ट हुआ है? कितने और बिल्डिंग्स को नुकसान हुआ है और क्या नेबर्स को जानकारी जब तक मिली तब तक कितना डैमेज ऑलरेडी हो चुका था?
मैं आपको बता दूं, अगर बात की जाए जिस तरीके से बी 13 में ये आग लगी थी, तो उसकी वजह से जो है पास की ही बिल्डिंग में थोड़ा बहुत नुकसान जो है वो जरूर हुआ है, लेकिन किसी जानमाल का नुकसान जो है नहीं हुआ है। वहीं अगर लोगों की बात की जाए तो लोगों का साफ तौर पे कहना है कि जिस समय उनको इस आग की घटना की जानकारी लगी तब लगभग सुबह के 5 बजे हुए थे, और उस समय जो है आग का गुब्बार जो है इस इमारत से निकलता हुआ देखने को मिल रहा था। फायर टेंडर अपना काम करता हुआ नजर आ रहा था, लेकिन आग जो है इतनी ज्यादा फैल चुकी थी कि एक आग का गुब्बार आसमान में देखने को मिल रहा था। वहीं आग दूसरी इमारत से होते हुए तीसरी और चौथी इमारत तक फैल गई। मैं आपको बता दूं कि कहीं ना कहीं इस घटना में जिस तरीके से 9 लोगों की जान गई, उसको लेकर इलाके में भी और इस घटना के बाद इलाके में जो है दुख का माहौल देखा जा रहा है। और इस आगजनी घटना को देखते हुए लोग जो है दहशत में देखे जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि हादसा इतना बड़ा हो गया कि 9 लोग जो है इस पूरे हादसे में अपनी जान गंवा बैठे।
जी भावना बने रहे हमारे साथ। वी ऑल्सो हैव former Delhi Police DCP Mr. Ellen Rao. Sir, very good morning to you and thanks for speaking to us on this. We just seen the fire in Noida and now another fire, and this one a fatal when 9 people have been killed and AC blast is being reported to be the cause. Um, why do you think these kind of incidents are repeatedly taking place? Several times we have reported how AC blasts has caused huge blazes and even killed people.
Good morning, ma'am. And this is really, again, very sad incident. Early in the morning, the allies have received this sad incident in which 9 innocent people have been charged. And this, apparently, this is said to be the AC blast, but the police is investigating from all angles. That may be the reason. Exact reason will be known by the fire brigade people. They will let us know. And these type of incident, if it is a AC blast, then definitely it is because of some defective AC or maybe some defective wiring in the house, or maybe overheating of the AC. All these things may be contributed to this incident, but really it's very sad in the 9 people. But thank God, 15 people have been saved. Life of 15 people have been saved in this incident. And police and rescue team is already there. I think they will be doing the investigation thoroughly and find out the exact cause of this fire. Yes, ma'am.
What is the precautionary measures that we should take as message to prevent such kind of incidents, sir?
Yes, definitely the people who are living in their houses, having their ACs and other electric equipment, they should be regularly being checked, and if there is any defect in any of the electric equipment, today it was AC, tomorrow it may be a freezer, maybe fan or lighting system, all wiring should be checked, because nowadays summer season is coming and then very hot days are expected nowadays, and then these such type of incidents may occur in future also, unless and until we all are checking these electronic instruments very frequently. And if there is any sparking, it is noticed, and if there is any smoke is seen, immediately the police and the fire brigade people must be informed. And at every house, I must tell you that there should be some firefighting equipment, definitely, so that in the case of emergency, those can be used. And those firefighting equipment, we can say the fire extinguisher, that those should be in working condition. Every house should keep fire extinguishers in their house. And if it is seen, but in this case, I think the people were sleeping, they could not notice it. But still, if there was something, some time was left, then that fire extinguisher could have saved the major incident. In this case, I think that the AC blast is the main cause apparently, but still I think that the police will be investigating and find out the exact cause of death after consultation with the fire brigade people.
Right, Mr. Rao, thank you very much for joining us. We are getting, in fact, viewers, some more updates. Let's go across to Rumi Mishra.
A sequence that I have readied out for our viewers. If you could just put it on the screen, we see the first video that came out of the Vivek Vihar fire. This is the first video that was shared on social media last night as fire engulfed the massive four-story building in Vivek Vihar. It was a 100 gaj building, which was, of course, under fire because of reported AC blasts that occurred on the second floor, as you earlier mentioned. But you just, in this video right here, you can see the seriousness of the situation. This is behind this building that the fire actually started, and I'll move on to show the repercussions of this incident. This is the aftermath. You see the cracked windows. It's completely black with soot. You see this wire metal net that has been put in place in the balcony as well, and it has now been torn down because of the fire, of course. You see the entire area being engulfed with the soot. This next picture here is of the AC. It's an AC that is burnt. This is the outdoor machine of the AC, you see, and you see that it is indeed burnt out. You see the plastic that has melted, and it could be possible that the AC blast actually led to this fire. The next picture that I'd like to show right here is the smoke coming out of the top floor. This is the fourth floor of the building, which was still burning as the video was taken. This was in the morning when firefighting operations were continuing. These operations went on for hours before fire could actually be doused. You know, Kriti, we already have found out that at least 3 bodies were found on the top floor, with a mother and a child both hugging each other. A very, very distressing picture that has come to light, and we heard the Parshad of the area as well speak to NewsX and explain how bodies were found and how distressing all these bodies, how distressing was the situation as these bodies were found. This part right here is entirely covered in soot yet again. This is the top floor. Right there is the AC that we earlier marked out. You see the fire and the monstrosity that it was, and the entire right portion of this building in Vivek Vihar now you see has been covered with soot. This is because of the fire, of course. From the ground floor till level 4, it is entirely covered with soot. This is the front portion of the building, so it was not just this right side that is affected by the fire. The front portion of the building, you see the fire extinguisher pipeline as well. They were trying to douse this fire from this area. This is in fact where firefighters entered from as well, the front portion of the building, since the right side was completely charred and smoke was still coming out from that part. They were still unsure whether the fire was ablaze or whether it was rather controlled at that moment, which is why they entered from the front portion and they tried to find if anyone was a survivor that they could help out, but that obviously was not the case. This next picture right here shows a person, the neighbors of this place trying to look down as operations continue, but you see the neighboring house has also been affected by this fire. This massive fire, Kriti, of course, has not just affected 4 families that lived in one building, but also the next building. However, people in the neighboring building were not affected. No casualties were reported from there. No one was injured. But we do know that 9 people lost their lives in this building that was actually affected. So yes, this is a very tragic incident that has come to light, and however, people are still trying to identify the 9 bodies that are found, and know who these people were and trace their DNA back to their
Right.
relatives.
All right, Rumi, thank you for bringing us all those visuals and breaking those down for us.